What a beautiful day. We're at 25 Lurnea Crescent in Mountain Creek, and I'm in a granny flat. So this home comes with a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom home that sits on that side, and on this side we've got a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom home with a granny flat. It's brand new, never been lived in, and looks absolutely amazing. Let's quickly go through the main house. You've also got 2 separate car garages, plus a carport to the other side of the home. Space for 3 vehicles. What a lovely home. Nothing to be done. Brand new. So 2 bedrooms to the front. This is your master bedroom. With actually access to a 2-way bathroom. Separate toilet. Third bedroom. Dining room, and what a fantastic kitchen. The European laundry. You can close the cupboards, get it out of sight if you don't want to show it off. Absolutely beautiful, beautiful bench tops. And we're back onto the creek, so gently throw your cast nets in the backyard, give some fishing a go, and no, it does not flood. How beautiful, even this outdoor entertainment space. Massive, beautiful tiles used, and then that's your side access. Space for another vehicle or caravan or boat. 25 Lurnea Crescent in Mountain Creek.